Welcome back to Global Fit Guide, your ultimate destination for all things fitness. Today, we've got an exhilarating 4-week journey ahead. Get ready to build muscle and transform your physique at the fitness center. It's time to turn those fitness goals into reality. But before we dive into this exciting program, remember to hit that subscribe button and activate notifications. We're your trusted partners on the road to fitness success. Let's kick things off by building a solid foundation. Day 1, Full Body Workout. On Day 1, it's a full body workout to get you started. Squats, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, bend over rows, using dumbbells or a barbell 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, plank, hold for 30 seconds, 1 minute, perform 3 sets. Full body workouts engage multiple muscle groups, helping you establish a strong base for your fitness journey. Day 2, Rest or Light Cardio. Day 2 is all about rest or light cardio. A brisk walk will do wonders. Rest is crucial as it allows your muscles to recover and grow. Light cardio keeps your blood flowing and aids in recovery. Day 3, Full Body Workout. Day 3 brings another full body workout. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Dumbbell or bodyweight bench press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Lat pull-downs, using a resistance band or machine 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side. Variety in your exercises ensures that you target different muscle groups for balanced development. Day 4, Rest or Light Cardio. Day 4, another opportunity for rest or light cardio to keep that heart pumping. Day 5, Full Body Workout. On Day 5, we're back for more. Deadlifts, with proper form and light weights, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, dumbbell shoulder press, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, leg raises, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps, Russian twists, with a light dumbbell or medicine ball, 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side. Compound movements like deadlifts and shoulder presses challenge your entire body and stimulate muscle growth. Day 6 and 7, it's crucial to rest. Your muscles need time to recover and grow. As we progress to weeks 3 and 4, we're stepping up the intensity. Day 1 of week 3 is about taking it up a notch. Squats, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps, increase weight slightly. Push-ups, 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Bend over rows, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps, increase weight slightly. Plank, hold for 45 seconds, 1.5 minutes, perform 4 sets. Progressive overload is the key to muscle growth. Increasing weights and reps challenges your muscles to adapt and grow stronger. Day 2, Rest or Light Cardio. Day 2, another opportunity for rest or light cardio to support your recovery. On Day 3, it's time to diversify your routine. Lunges, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg, increase weight slightly. Bench press, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps, increase weight slightly. Lat pull-downs, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps, increase weight slightly. Bicycle crunches, 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side. Mixing up your exercises prevents plateaus and keeps your muscles guessing. Day 4, Rest or Light Cardio. Day 4, your body needs a breather. Rest or go for a light cardio session to maintain your stamina. Day 5, it's time to challenge yourself even more. Deadlifts, 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps, increase weight slightly. Dumbbell shoulder press, 4 sets of 8 to 10 reps, increase weight slightly. Leg raises, 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps for a strong core. Russian twists, 4 sets of 15 to 20 reps per side, sculpting your obliques. As we wrap up this program, remember the importance of proper form, gradual progression, hydration, and a balanced diet rich in protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Don't forget to subscribe to Global Fit Guide for more fantastic fitness content.